Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn how to configure HTTP adapter. So let's start. You know why we use this HTTP adapter? HTTP adapter is used to communicate with external system. There is two types of integration. One is inbound integration and other one is outbound integration. In inbound integration, the data is pushed by a sender system, and in inbound integration we don't have trigger from CPI to connect system. We need URL and credentials. We expose the CPI flow using the endpoint, and the outbound integration is we fetch the data from a source system, we transform it, and we send the final data to the target system. Okay, then here is the sender. Use adapter as HTTP. Yeah, HTTPS. For that, you can give any address. Here, we need to provide endpoint to our CPI. You can provide anything, but it should start with the forward slash. Suppose here I am using forward slash Shubham HTTPS demo, and this CSF protected. We use this option for double security. If anyone try to hack, it will protect from that situation. But for but now we can uncheck this. Okay, then save this and deploy it. See, the integration is started, but we have not received any data because we use this HTTP adapter in the inbound case, and the data will send by the sender. Okay, so you know what is the difference between deploy and run. Deploy means whenever we deploy the iFlow, the integration is in active state, and what is the run means when we explicitly push data or trigger the integration. So now we need to connect with the postman. In left side of the postman, we have packages like, yeah, these are the packages. So create one another package by clicking on this plus. Yeah, click on blank collection. You can give name as HTTP adapter. click here. Then here you can give the name HTTP adapter demo. So we have already deploy our iFlow, right? So go on the monitor, you will receive one endpoint. Let's see, HTTP adapter. Copied this from here and put in the Postman. Here you can see there is couple of operation: post, put, patch, delete, and head. So what is get? Get is used to fetch the data from given URL. What is post? To push the data to URL. Why we use put? To push the data to URL, means same as post. And what is patch? To update the existing entries. And what is delete? It delete the entries. So currently we have to push the data. Okay, so use post. And here, so yeah, let's try now. Yeah, send this message. See here showing 401 unauthorized. In interviewer asked like what error you received in a postman while you are connecting that postman to the CPI. Then we can say like I have received 401, means 401 means issue with the credentials. 404 means issue with the URL, and 500 means internal problem with the target system, and 200 means message was successful. Okay, then why we are receiving this 401? Because we have not provided username and password. So we can choose here basic authentication. Previous, yeah, see in the previous video, I have created this username and password. You can copy. Here client ID means username. You can put here. And client secret means password. Now try to send this message. Here see, you have received 200. Okay, means successful message. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, we have received message. Okay. Now let's try to communicate with Postman. For that, I will use this content modifier and I'm going to set one message here. Hello from SAP CPI. Now deploy it. Go to the Postman. Click on send also. See here. We have received this message. Hello from SAP CPI. In the body, yeah, you can send a message also. You can type like good evening. Let's send the message. See here. Yeah, we have received this request. Right. See here. In the body. Hello from SAP CPI. We have received this. Yeah, here. Yeah, we have received good evening. So how to get this message in our target site? So let's check. Give here in the message body dollar curly braces body. And now trigger it from the postman. Good evening, friends. Send it. See, 200 OK means successful. Yes, we have received that request. Here you can see the good evening, friends. Here we have not selected this expression. Yeah, that's why we have not received that. Yeah, now check. Send. Yes, we have received new request. And let's check. Yes, here we can receive Good morning, friends. Hello from SAP CPI. Okay. In this way, you can send message from the CPI to postman also. Okay. So, practice it. Today we learn how to use HTTP sender adapter. In next lecture, I will show you how to configure HTTP receiver adapter. Yeah. Thank you.